You know how most shotguns have one job. Some are built just for home defense, some for hunting, some for breaching doors in close quarter combats. What if a shotgun can do all of that? That's the idea behind Derya MK-12, a Turkish shotgun that's being a surprising a lot of people. It's gas powered, so every shot cycle is smooth and fast. It runs almost anything. Light target loads, heavy buckshots, slugs, even less lethal. Where other semi-auto jams, the MK-12 keeps eating. It uses detachable magazines too. No more feeding shells one by one. Just swap mags and keep moving. And if you have ever handled an AR-15, the MK-12 will feel instantly familiar. Same controls, same ergonomics, no retraining, no pummeling, rails for optics, lights, grips, customize it like a modern rifle, adjustable stock, piston grip, fits any shooter, any road. 10-round semi-auto means you do not have to stop shooting until the danger is gone. The stopping power. This is a 12 gauge. We are talking a spread of 9.33 caliber pellets, all moving faster than most pistol bullets. Even with body armor, the impact is devastating. They punch through walls, doors, and vehicles like paper. Here's a twist. Most tactical semi-autos cost well over $1,500. The MK-12 around $500 to $700. That's why Turkish forces uses it. Why police across Europe and Asia choose it. And why civilian shooters love it. It just works in heat, cold, mud, anything. One shotgun that never feels out of place. Most guns force a compromise, but the Derya MK-12, it's built on a simple idea. A shotgun should not limit you. It should be ready for anything.